Welcome back to Inside the Box. I have a question for all of you today. Are you experiencing an eBay glitch with the eBay app when you go to create a shipping label? This started for me last night on February 8th and continued to be a problem today on February 9th of 2022. So I wondered if any of you were having the same issue or if it's just my phone. The problem is when I go to create a shipping label in the eBay app, the app keeps crashing on me. So I'm going to show you that in a minute and then explain to you what I did. I wound up having to print a label via the computer instead of the app, but I want to talk to you about the things that I tried to see if it would fix the problem, and it did not fix it. So I'm going to show you right now on the eBay app the issue. So I'm going to show you right now on the eBay app the issue. And I'm going to click on this notification that the buyer paid ship now. So here's the item that I sold. I sold a book. I'm going to click on the item. And I'm going to click on this option here that says create shipping label. And I usually print my shipping labels from my phone is how I like to do it. And this usually works for me. But for whatever reason today, it's taking me back to that page, and then I will attempt to do the same thing. And I get this notification, eBay keeps stopping, and then I'll get a black screen. If I try to click send feedback, it says that I'm not connected to the internet, but if you can see my Wi-Fi signal up here at the top, I am. And I do have data. I just got off the phone with someone, so I know my data plan's working. And if I try and do other things, I can click on this and I can hit leave feedback, and I am successful with that. So for whatever reason, it is the create shipping label that is causing the issue. So at this point, I did try a few different things. I'm not going to show all of it in this video, but I tried closing the app and going back into it, and it didn't work. And so then I eventually uninstalled the app and re-downloaded it onto my phone, signed back in and everything, and that still did not fix the problem. So at this point, I had two options. It was to try printing off my computer and hope that the glitch was just on the eBay app and not on eBay's website too. The other option was to go to the post office with the package and the address and purchase a shipping label there. So I knew that I would get the item sent no matter what, because that was still an option for me to take it to the post office. But thankfully, the option online worked. Their website was not having the same glitch as the app, and I was able to print the shipping label from their website. Let me know if you've been experiencing this problem too. I really enjoy using the eBay app to ship. I love the convenience of being able to ship from my phone. So let us know in the comments below if you are experiencing this issue currently. Hopefully eBay will get it fixed soon. Let us know if you found a solution to maybe fixing the problem on your own. But I feel like this is an eBay problem, and hopefully they'll just get it taken care of soon. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you in my next video.